Is he trying to leave or is he going to park here? No, he's trying to park right here. Hey friends, it's summertime madness at South Padre Island and it's time to take you along for the ride. Today I'm going to show you what my dash cam captured so you can see exactly what to expect on a crowded summer weekend. The exit through Cameron County Beach Access 6 got a little spicier than usual, so make sure you stick around until the end. You won't want to miss it. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more South Padre Island beach camping, surf fishing, and coastal adventure videos. Now, get up, get out, do something.
With a ribbon and stars, and most people had a gig for the money, and everybody thought it was just for a while. There was a time when the birds were singing, and you thought it was a song on the radio, and most people said it was for freedom. was about right to use a bomb. There was a time when I was your man, and everything was on, everything was on, everything was on. Fire. Fire. Everything was on. Fire. There was a time when the rich were wrong. The more money, the more they were alone. And most people play jazz for a living, but everybody was game for rock and roll. There was a time when your hair was blue, and I thought it was a way to find the truth. And most people said it was for love, that it was about right to go to war. There was a time when I was your man, and everything was on, and everything was on, everything was on. Fire. Fire. Everything was on. Fire. There was a time when the birds were singing. There was a time when the rich were wrong. Everything was on. so magical. You don't need to hold yourself when I'm here, crystal clear. Oh baby, I'm so magical. I feel magical. Sleek walk, smooth talk, smell good. Ooh, unconventional. I just know you want it, makes you feel like high class. Ooh Lord, I know I'm sensational, inspirational. Champagne bottles and the rinse when you're made of gold. When you're made of gold, the world is at your feet. Yes, you're made of gold. Yes, you're made of gold. Pampered, tie suits, fresh cut. Ooh, I'm a professional. I can make it look so easy. Diamonds, rich swag. Ooh, I'm so international. I'm an animal. Black shades, white smile, cool face. Ooh, I've got quality. I can make your dreams come true with jet planes, race cars, fine art. Ooh, I got royalty. Lord, I got loyalty. Champagne bottles and the rinse when you're made of gold. When you're made of gold. The world is at your feet. Yes, you're made of gold. Yes, you're made of gold. Champagne bottles and the rinse when you're made of gold. When you're made of gold. The world is at your feet. Yes, you're made of gold. Yes, you're made of gold.
Pretty little mama's messing with your mind, and she's only gonna do it again. I bet you take her back about every time, just about that moment when she said, I love you with all my heart. And listen to the evening stroll. The things you're doing, it's only doing ruin, it's only doing damage to you. Cause you're with boy, you're so with boy. Cause you're with boy, you're crying over nothing again. And you're with boy, so with boy. Cause you're with boy, you're crying over nothing again. Over nothing again. Over nothing again. Now I'm only telling you cause I've been there too. I've been a victim of a woman's touch. Like a mind of a child and a body gone wild. Crying cause she wanted so much. But I'll try with all my might. But she ain't never gonna leave me alone. I'm a grown man, if you can't understand, I think you better get on home. I ain't your whip boy. Ain't your whip boy. Cause you're whip boy. Crying over nothing again. Like you're whip boy. So whip boy. Cause you're whip boy. You're crying over nothing again. Over nothing again. Over nothing again.
Is he trying to leave or is he going to park here? No, he's trying to park right here. This is Beach Access 6, the last vehicle entry and exit point on South Padre Island. Vehicles parked along the travel lane created a major bottleneck. Thanks to the Cameron County Park Ranger for getting traffic moving again. Cameron County recommends driving a 4x4 beyond Beach Access 6 for a reason. If you bring a two-wheel drive vehicle or tow a large trailer onto a crowded beach, there's a good chance you'll get stuck. That can quickly ruin your day and the day of the people who came prepared to enjoy the beach. So come prepared, air down your tires, and help keep traffic moving for everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Get up, get out, do something.